Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to fix Spotify not playing songs. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to fix Spotify not playing songs, you need to simply restart your app. You need to simply restart the app and get used to how you play it. And if the problem is still there, you can simply tap on its details and go in your storage. There you can find the clear cache option. Simply clear its cache and try to open it again. So, if nothing is fixing this problem, you can try and check your internet connection as well, or update the application via the App Store or Google Play Store. So, other effective solutions include logging out and logging back in, disabling the offline mode, or reinstalling the app if issues persist. So this way you can fix Spotify not playing songs. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. Thank you.